How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So start by opening your YouTube application and click on your account or profile on the top right. Now here you have to click on the settings. Once you're in settings, click on this manage all history and you have to select your account that you want to delete the liked videos of. So right now here, as you can see, this has taken me on a new page where I have to simply click on this interactions on the top right, and now simply click on this video likes and dislikes. Now here, as you can see, these are the liked videos. So in my case I am going for the today and click on this cross, and as you can see, confirm that you would like to delete this activity. This will not show again, so click on the delete and there you go. Now it has deleted all my liked videos. So now simply click on this OK and you're good to go. So that's how basically you can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once.